Jeopardy and Wheel of Fortune may be two of the most beloved, long-standing game shows out there, but things have taken a turn for the series' security in recent months. In the past, CBS has handled the distribution of both shows, while Sony handled their production. In October 2024, Sony sued CBS for breach of contract after they claimed that bundling the game shows with less popular work, like The Drew Barrymore Show or Hot Bench, were harming Jeopardy and Wheel of Fortune's profitability. CBS countersued the following month, but the issues did not stop there. This year, Sony attempted to take over the global distribution of both television programs after they alleged that CBS had violated part of their agreement. This would change over distribution rights for both Jeopardy and Wheel of Fortune after years. CBS ended up filing a restraining order in an attempt to keep distribution rights in the company. A Los Angeles judge ruled in their favor, warding Sony off from distribution rights and keeping them in CBS hands. In a new turn in this Sony and CBS legal battle, Sony is now trying to sell the streaming rights to Jeopardy and Wheel of Fortune. Part of the challenge now is that when the shows were founded, decades ago, independent producers had much more of a say in how they were put out into the world. The Federal Communications Commission wanted to lessen the authority of major networks on content, which led Merv Griffin and Roger King to strike a distribution deal. Griffin and King's former enterprises were sold to CBS and Sony, respectively, forcing both companies to reach a resolution. Per Puck, the Sony and CBS legal battle has been updated again as Sony is now shopping rights for Jeopardy and Wheel of Fortune. According to the source, Sony is trying to frame its decision as unrelated to its battle with CBS, even though it is ostensibly connected. In reaction, CBS is already arguing that Sony's effort to sell the streaming rights is a direct breach of contract. Early signs say that the former distributor may not back down on its claims, even as Sony attempts to sell next-day rights now and same-day rights starting in 2028. Ultimately, this issue between Sony and CBS comes down to the massive revenue brought in by both series. Jeopardy and Wheel of Fortune both bring in millions of nightly views, with game show contestants trying to win big, so Sony, if successful, can likely make a big profit off of selling their streaming rights. However, the pushback the company will get from CBS will likely delay the streaming deal from happening or in some way disrupt the deal's finalization.